If you're tired of choosing between charging your iPhone and listening to music through wired headphones, the Belkin 3.5mm to Lightning adapter offers a smart solution. Designed specifically for iPhone 13, 12, 11, and any iPhone without a headphone jack, this adapter keeps your audio and charging needs covered without compromise. Belkin has been a pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years, and this adapter reflects that legacy. It's a dual-function accessory that lets you plug in your headphones or auxiliary cable while charging your phone at the same time. No more juggling cords or losing sound quality when your battery runs low. What sets this adapter apart is its premium audio quality. Certified to meet Apple's strict specifications, it supports full audio fidelity, remote controls, and microphones from MFiCertified 3.5mm headphones. So whether you're on a call or enjoying your favorite playlist, expect crystal clear sound without interruptions. Durability matters when it comes to daily tech accessories. The Belkin adapter features a strong yet lightweight design with flexible TPE strain relief. It's been tested to withstand over 5,000 cycles of 180-degree cable bending, making it perfect for anyone who's always on the go or traveling frequently. Thanks to its MFi certification, this adapter is guaranteed to work seamlessly with your iPhone. That means no random disconnections or compatibility issues, just reliable performance every time you plug in. Customers in the U.S. have praised this adapter for its superior build and noise-free operation. Unlike other brands that cause buzzing or require constant phone restarts, the Belkin splitter delivers clean audio and stable charging without hassle. One user even highlighted how its sturdy construction outperforms cheaper alternatives. If you rely on wired headphones or speakers without Bluetooth, this adapter is worth a look. It solves a common problem with a simple, elegant design that lasts. No more compromises between charging and listening. Belkin lets you do both effortlessly. Ready to upgrade your iPhone audio experience? The Belkin 3.5mm to Lightning adapter offers reliable charging, premium sound, and proven durability. Try it when you're ready to enjoy wired audio without missing a beat.